July. Is the heat and humidity going to continue into today?
I tell you what, Jules, the humidity, well, the heat will be turned down a few degrees at the beach today, primarily because we have some patchy fog and some cooler breezes coming in from the south later on today. Let's show you our three key things. Now, it's another warm day inland with the fog right now at the coast. Some of that is very thick, very tough to see on some of the roads out there right now. And then a late Saturday thunderstorm is possible. This could feature some very heavy downpours, even though most of the time it will not actually be raining on Saturday or even Saturday night. But if you do get interrupted for maybe your evening barbecue, you may have to shelter inside for a while as the rain could be really coming down. All right, North Kingstown, visibility is not great, but at least we could make out the bay in the distance and the trees here. The same could not be said here in Narragansett. This is the traffic light. That's pretty much all you can see. You cannot see the water from this camera or the seawall, which you would normally be able to see. And our visibility is running pretty much nada from Westerly into Narragansett, Newport. Be careful going over the bridges. Newport Jamestown Bridge could be a little dicey in terms of what it looks like outside. From Providence into Smithfield, visibility is fine, and we're just over a mile in Taunton. So you may be driving, going along just fine, and all of a sudden you run into a pretty thick deck of fog. 65 is your temperature in Smithfield, 67 Providence. 69 Newport, we're at 68 Westerly. Dew points are quite high. This is a measure of how much moisture there is in the atmosphere. And when these dew points get close to the temperatures, that's when we get fog. You can see Westerly's dew point, Newport's dew point, upper 60s. Temperatures similar and hence the fog. Winds are fairly calm. We're at 3 miles an hour right now in Smithfield, and our other weather station in Smithfield reporting 65 degrees. We're 64 in Cumberland. With our satellite not showing a whole lot going on now, we will see some clouds increasing later on today, and then we'll be watching this front north of the Great Lakes. As that scoots closer, that scoops up some more moisture, and then by tomorrow it arrives with a chance of some of those downpours. But the effect you will really notice tomorrow and even tonight will be the increase in humidity, and that increase in humidity will also increase the clouds later today and some of the fog this evening. This is 11 o'clock tonight, likely some more dense fog along the coast with mostly cloudy skies. And then tomorrow morning, I'm thinking mostly rain-free. The best chance of showers and thunderstorms and downpours would actually be tomorrow evening. This is late on Saturday night where some thunderstorms and downpours are still possible. And then as we work into Sunday morning, we'll have the chance of some showers lingering. I do think we'll still have some fog at the coast. So it's kind of a slow clearing on Sunday morning, but by the afternoon, we're looking pretty good with dropping humidity. So even though Saturday will be very muggy, even muggier than today, Sunday will not be, especially later on during the day. It'll be a different feeling kind of end of the weekend compared to how it starts. 84 today by noontime, 86 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Breezes out of the south at around 5 to 12 miles an hour. And along the south coast, we will likely fall from the upper 70s to the mid 70s during the afternoon with that breeze coming in from the south. We'll have sunshine, but there may be some lingering patches of fog. That kind of day at the beach where some beaches may be sunny and then every once in a while a deck of fog moves in. Mid 80s to low 90s inland, around 89 in Burville, and in eastern Massachusetts temperatures also in the upper 80s, 89 Attleboro, 85 Seekonk, Westport, Dartmouth, low 80s, falling back into the 70s, and on average upper 70s for the beaches for today. All right, 7-day forecast shows temperatures quite warm as we head into Saturday with the chance of some of those showers and thunderstorms. Then on Sunday, it's much better, much more comfortable. Next week, looking good, 81 on Monday, Tuesday, 86. You can always get an updated forecast over on our website at WPRI.com. Now let's go over to Jules with traffic. Hey, Jules.